Gentlemen, have you ever wondered what it truly means to exude luxury and sophistication? Well, we're about to unlock the secrets that will transform your presence. In this video, we're delving into the art of smelling expensive as a man. So, get ready to embark on a fragrant journey that will elevate your style, captivate the senses, and leave a lasting impression everywhere you go. Because after all, the scent you wear is more than a fragrance. It's your signature, your allure, and your ticket to an aura of undeniable opulence. Welcome to an extraordinary journey where we decode the secrets of how to smell expensive as a man. Your fragrance is not just a scent, it's an accessory, a statement, and a signature. 1. Shower daily. Showering daily is a fundamental step in the art of exuding an expensive and luxurious scent as a man. It's the cornerstone of personal grooming, the canvas upon which you create your olfactory masterpiece. A daily shower not only rids your body of impurities and sweat, but also prepares your skin for the application of high-quality fragrances. The cleansing ritual provides a blank canvas, allowing the fragrance to meld with your skin's natural oils, enhancing its longevity and impact. Moreover, the act of showering itself, with the right luxurious soaps or body washes, can elevate your experience and set the tone for the day ahead. So, remember, the foundation of smelling expensive is built with the simple yet powerful act of showering daily, setting the stage for a captivating, unforgettable scent that exudes opulence and sophistication. 2. Unscented soaps. Unscented soaps, often overlooked in the world of men's grooming, can paradoxically be a secret weapon in making you smell expensive. By using unscented soap, you allow your natural scent and any carefully selected fragrances to take center stage. This minimalist approach not only prevents any clashes between soap scents and colognes, but also lets you exude an air of effortless luxury. Unscented soaps are a blank canvas, a subtle foundation that paves the way for more sophisticated and customized scent experiences. When you use them, you embrace a timeless elegance, leaving a refined, clean, and expensive aura that captivates without overpowering. In the world of scent, sometimes less truly is more, and unscented soaps provide the understated charm that can make you stand out in a crowd. 3. Wear fresh laundry. Every day. Wearing fresh laundry every day is a simple yet effective way for a man to exude an aura of sophistication and expense. It's a practice that signifies attention to detail and an unwavering commitment to personal hygiene and grooming. The crisp, clean scent of freshly laundered clothes not only envelops you in an air of freshness, but also imparts an air of affluence. This daily ritual showcases a meticulous approach to your appearance, reflecting your dedication to impeccable style and self-care. As you go about your day, the subtle fragrance of freshly laundered garments will leave a lasting, memorable impression, subtly communicating to those around you that you value quality, attention to detail, and the finer things in life. 4. Trim excess body hair. Trimming excess body hair as a man can play a subtle yet vital role in enhancing your overall scent and making you exude an aura of sophistication and luxury. Excess body hair can trap sweat and odor, creating an environment that may not be as pleasant as desired. By keeping your body hair in check, particularly in areas prone to perspiration, you can reduce the accumulation of sweat and odor. This, in turn, allows your chosen fragrance to shine through more effectively, creating a clean canvas for the scent to blend with your skin's natural oils. As you master the art of grooming, you not only achieve a more refined and polished appearance, but also a more alluring and expensive-smelling aura that leaves a lasting impression on those around you. 5. Use cologne. Every day. Using cologne every day is a powerful secret to exuding an expensive and sophisticated aura as a man. The fragrance has the remarkable ability to leave a lasting impression and enhance your overall image. By incorporating cologne into your daily grooming routine, you're not just adding a pleasant aroma, but you're also making a statement about your attention to detail and personal care. The right cologne carefully chosen to complement your style and personality, can elevate your presence and convey a sense of luxury and refinement. It's the finishing touch that ties together your look, leaving a subtle yet unmistakable mark of distinction wherever. 6. Use deodorant. Before bed. Using deodorant before bed can be a powerful step towards smelling expensive and refined as a man. While it might seem unconventional, this nighttime routine can work wonders. By applying deodorant before you sleep, you're allowing the product to work its magic overnight when your sweat glands are less active. This not only helps control odor, but also allows the deodorant's fragrance to meld with your body chemistry, creating a more subtle and personalized scent. In a world where first impressions and self-confidence matter, mastering the art of smelling expensive is not just about fragrance. It's about crafting a scent that speaks of sophistication and timeless elegance. As our journey comes to a close in this video, remember that your scent is a silent ambassador of your personality. If you found our video informative, kindly like the video and also subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.